Hello students, our next topic is construct the FA that accept the binary number congruent to 3 modulo 8. We have seen another examples, right? Our similar one. So now binary number congruent to 3 modulo 8. 3 modulo 8. Now what are the reminders for this? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now total how many 8 states will be there? We'll see in minimal FA how many states are there. So for which what I told you, simply take the transition table, it becomes easy on 0 comma 1. Write in Q0 initial state, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7. Now here 3 is there, that is 3 indicates the final state here. So simply what should I write? So you start with the Q0 to end of the state, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7. Again Q7 override, again start with Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7, done. Now by looking this, definitely there will be more than one state will be equal. More than one state will be equal. See how to check Q0, Q1. Do we have any state having a transition of on 0 comma 1? It is going to be Q0, Q1 only. Yes. See here 0 Q0, Q1 is there. Here also Q0, Q1 is there. That is nothing but I can say Q0 is equivalent to Q4. Similarly say Q2, Q3. Where is Q2, Q3? Q2, Q3. That is nothing but Q1 equivalent to Q5. Yes or no? Next Q4, Q5. Q4, Q5 where we have Q4, Q5. That is Q2 is equivalent to Q6. Correct or not? All of you. Suppose next Q6, Q7. Q3 is not equivalent to Q7. Even both are looking same. Why? Because it is final state. This is the final state. This is what? Non-final state. They cannot be equal. Are you getting my point? So now by after combining of these two states, wherever the equal states are there, we can combine. Like these two states can be combined, these two states can be combined, these two states can combine. So after this you can understand, all of you, transition of on 0 comma 1 Q0. This is Q0, Q1, Q1. Q1 is nothing but Q2, Q3. Next Q2. What is Q2? Q2 is going Q4, Q5. Next Q3 is there. Q3 is Q6, Q7. Next Q4 we no need to write because already combined. Q5 is combined, Q6 combined. Next I should write Q7 only. Now Q6 and Q7. Now how many states we got? How many states we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By looking this, yes, it is minimized. Here it was 8 states, and now it came into 5 states only. But much more can be reduced. Then we need to think whether it is correct or not. See, after removal of Q4, Q5, Q6, then again we got here Q4, Q5, Q6. Correct or not? We don't have a states Q4, Q5. But when you give a transition for Q, how we can give the transition for Q4, Q5? See, my doubt is this. See, all of you, Q4 we included with Q0 only, Q5 included with Q1 only, Q6 included with Q2 only, because both are equal. But again, these transitions are there here, Q4, Q5, Q6. How to combine? What is the need of keeping Q4, Q5 here? Because when we don't have, then how can I give a transition for Q4, Q5, Q6 here? Then I have to replace here. So modification you have to do. Q4 we combine with for what? Q4 is combined with Q0. I should write Q0. Then Q5 is combined with what? Q1 only. Q1 I should write. Q6 combined with what? Q2 I should write. This is Q6 2 I should write it. Now modified one, you can see all of you, 0, 1. Q0. This is Q0, Q1. This is Q1. It's Q0, right? Q1. Q2, Q3. This is Q2. Q2 nothing but Q0, Q1 only. Next to Q3. Q3 is nothing but what? Q2, Q7. Q7 is nothing but Q2, Q7, because these are the valid states only. So you can see here Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q7. We have all those only. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q7 only. This is a valid thing, right? Now after modifying this, again there can be some states are equal. How we can check? See, Q0, Q1. Here also Q0, Q1. Now see, it seems to be Q0, Q2 is equal only, because anyway both are non-final state, can be equal or not. Yes, again I can combine these two states. Is there anything to be equal? Q2, Q7, Q2, Q7 you can think, but Q3 cannot be combined with Q7, because which are not non-final, which are not final. Because one is final, one is not final, we can combine, but these two can be combined. What is this one? Q0, Q2. So after this, I may write like transition Q0, Q1. Then what is there? Q0, Q1, Q3, Q7. Correct. This is Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q2, Q7, Q2, Q7. This is final state only. Are you getting? So just I'm combined. No need to confuse. Otherwise, if you want, I can properly write. So I can write properly. Look all of you. This modified one I can write properly. Q0, Q0, Q1, Q2 we don't have. This is Q3, Q7. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q2, Q7, Q2, Q7. Yes, this is final one. How many states we got now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 states we got. You got how many states, all of you? 4. So you can write number of states in minimal FA equal to, will get 4 only. I am repeating again, 3 modulo 8, right? There are 8 states I written, but by looking this, there are states are equal. I made it equal state and minimized. After minimization, some modification needed. See, as it is we written, but Q4, Q5 already we removed, right? So I no need to have a transition. When we combine Q4, Q5 or Q7 with other state, no need to write in this transition. So I have to replace. Q4 is combined with Q0, Q5 is combined with Q1. That I replaced here. After replacing, we got. After replacing, what we did there, again the two states are equal. I have to combine these two states. After this combining, so we got reduced state. That is, reduced state is what? 4. Number of states in minimal FA now became 4. That is absolutely right answer, all of you. Are you getting? So what is the conclusion? First you take as it is, then you find the number of equal state and combine it. After this combining, you should modify nothing but combined state should be replaced by other states, replaced by this equivalent state. I replaced. Then if again minimization needed, then again you do minimization. After this minimization, you will get the reduced FA, that is minimal FA will get minimal FA containing minimum number of states. I hope you all of you are getting. So please do note down all the things clearly, all of you note down. So I'll give one note point here. So many examples we have seen, right? 1 modulo 4, 2 modulo 6, 3 modulo 8, 1 modulo 7, 1 modulo 9, 5 modulo 8, 5 modulo 10. Many modules we can see which is binary number equivalent to module operation. Then can't we have some generalization here? Look, suppose if a binary number congruent to R modulo n is there, without construction of this FA, I would like to say that what are the number of states are possible when we have a binary number equivalent to R modulo n. What is n? Division. This is the reminder. So for which we can do observation. See, when directly straight away I can say, when 7 is there, 1 modulo 7, how many states we got? 7 only. So from this point I can tell. So I am writing like in terms of case wise. So if n is odd number, when odd number, if you get binary number equivalent to R modulo n, this form is there. If when n is odd, n state will get. When n is even, different things we got. See, so this is also even. This is even. How many state we got in this case? 3 state. Here this is also even. How many state we got here? 4 state. Here 4 is also even. How many states we got here? 3 states. Here 8 is even. How many state we got? 4 state. So what is the observation we can make? When n is even, I have to make in terms of again cases. All of you please do understand. Again I have to make cases. If you able to make n equal to some 2 power of m form. Example, 4 is there. I can write 2 power of 2. Can I write it or not? Yes. If it is 8 is there, n is 8. 8 is even number, right? So I can write 8 is in terms of 2 power of 3 form. When n is even, if you able to make n equal to 2 power of m form, if you able to write n equal to 2 power of m, that case m plus 1 state will get. How many states ma? M plus 1. Example. So I'll take example here only. See, 2 modulo 4 is there, right? 2 modulo 4. 4 I can write 2 power of 2. Then 2 power of 2 means here 2. This 2 plus 1 is a state. How many state we got? 3. Is or no? 3. Okay, you see. One more example. So this is not like one more example we have taken here 8. 8 can I write 2 power of 3? Yes or no? Now number of states will be 3 plus 1 we got. How many we got? 4 only? Yes, 4 only. See. After minimization we got 4, with the formula also giving 4 only. Our observation also giving 4 or not. Correct or not, all of you? So now I made, if when n is even, if you able to make n, that n is even in terms of power of 2, now the power plus 1 will be the number of states. Now suppose here, second case here, when you are not making n equal to 2 power of m form, n is even, it is not in the form of 2 power of m, then again I have to make some 2 cases here. After n by 2, you do one n by 2, divide by 2. After dividing by 2, if you value, if you are getting odd number, so number of states will be this odd number plus 1 is enough. This odd number plus 1 is enough. Example, I'll take example. This example, see. So this is n value how much? 6. Is it even number or not? N is even or not? Yes, even. Can I make it 6 in terms of 2 power of form? No, I cannot make it. Then we are not able to make 2 power of m form. Then what I tell you, you divide this 6 by 2. What is the result will get in? 3. For this 1 you add, that is the number of state. How many we got? 4 only. Yes, 4 only we got, right? 4 only, right? Yes. So now I am making point. When n is not able to make 2 power something, then you divide by 2. If you are getting the result is odd number plus 1 is the result, number of state. Now suppose n by 2 dividing, after dividing, if you are getting even number, here, after dividing n by 2, if you are getting even number, then you do further division, do n by 2 by 2, that is n by 4, n by 8, like that you continue until that division becomes odd number. So whatever n is there, that is even number. Okay, n is even number. Okay, n by 2 also even number we got. Then you divide that n by 2 continuously until that division becomes odd number. Then you stop when odd number will getting. Then the result will be, number of state will be this odd number, whatever result will get, plus k. What is the k? K is what? Kth level division. Kth level division mark k. So how many times you have done division? Example, here n by 2 is even, one time division. Again n by 2 done, again you get even, second time done. Again I have done division, we got odd number. So third time you got odd number, right? So odd number plus 3 you have to add, that is the number of state we will get. For this, let me take an example to understand here. Look, all of you, one by one we'll take. Suppose if you have a binary number congruent to 1 modulo 3 is there. 1 modulo 3. Now number of states, how many will get? Number of states in minimal FA equal to odd number, right? 3 only will get, no doubt here. Second one, binary number congruent to, suppose 0 modulo 4 is there, suppose. Then what is n? What is n? Even, but n I can form, we can express into 2 power of 2 form, right? So now number of states will be 2 plus 1, 3 state will get. Third one, if binary number congruent to 1 modulo 6 is there, then what I told you, So this is a 6 is an even number, right? You cannot make it 2 power of something power, right? Then what to do? You divide this 6 by 2. What is the result? If you are getting 2 by 6 by 2 means 3 only, right? This odd number plus 1 is the answer. 4 states. We have shown example also. One example already done. If binary number congruent to suppose 1 modulo 9 is there. So n is 9, n is odd, right? This n 9 is what, odd number only, correct or not? Now number of state will be what, 9 only directly. And the fifth, binary number is congruent to suppose 2 modulo 10 is there. Then what I told you, 10 is even, you cannot make it power of 2, you divide by 10. What is the result? 5. 5 is odd number, right? Odd number plus 1 is a state, is the answer. Sixth one. So binary congruent to suppose 3 modulo 12 is there. 12. Now what is 12? Even number. Even. When even is there, you divide, because 12 you cannot make it power of 2. What is the result? 6. Again even number we get. Again you divide. What is the value? 3. Yes. What is the answer? What is the, whatever odd number we got, odd number plus kth level division. How many divisions are done? 1, 2 division 2. So answer is 5. So this thing ma. When see n is even, n is not making it 2 power m, then divide n by 2. Again even we got. Then again divide by n by 2. Again even got, suppose. Divide by 2. Again until that becomes odd number. Once you get odd, that odd number plus kth level division. Kth level division nothing but how many divisions you have done. That means you have to add it like this. 2 divisions done like this. Suppose example, one more. 7th one. So binary number congruent to suppose 2 modulo 24 is there. Then 24 is an even number. You divide by 2. 12 will get, divide by 2. 6. Again 12 will get, again even number only got, divide by 2. We got 3 is an odd number. 3 plus how many divisions done? 1, 2, 3 divisions. So 3 plus 3, 6 states will get. So this overall conclusion, mind repeating, if any binary number input is giving and that divisible by something like R modulo n form is there, if n is odd number, purely n states enough. If n is even, there are two cases again. If you make n is a 2 power of m something, m plus 1 will state will get. If you not make n equal to some 2 power something, then you divide by 2. After division, if you are getting odd number, answer will be the odd plus 1. After division, if you are getting even number, again you do the division only. The division you continue till the result should get odd number. Then number of state would be odd number plus how many divisions you carried out, that we need to add, that is k. I hope you are getting ma. So almost many examples we have seen, like from here we have done, right? So like one modulo 4, 2 modulo 6, 2 modulo 4, 1 modulo 7, 3 modulo 8, like many examples you can observe. So out of these examples we observe, this is the note point ma. I hope you are getting all of you. So please note down clearly each and every point. Then yourself you can check, cross check is all, cross check ma, whether my formula works correctly or not. Do one thing, like I'll give one more examples also, you can try. So you can try by drawing FA. Do it like 1 modulo 10. Example 1. Binary number congruent to 3 modulo 14. So binary number congruent to 1 modulo 5. You do it, take this example, check my formula is correct or not. How to check? First you do normal construction of FA. Construct FA and minimize it with a conventional. You do the minimization convention, find the number of state, then I apply my formula. If both are same, then my formula is correct ma. I hope this will work, definitely 100% it will work. Yes ma, are you getting? Take this homework, you try these 3 example or any example you can take, R modulo n form you take and try yourself whether this is correct or not. So any questions come this way, that is the reason, like see, so we maximum we will get what, 3 minutes only, correct or not? Maximum 3 minutes time for each question, right? So sometimes any big question is comes, like drawing FA becomes hard, like it is time consuming. That is the reason this observation will work. And if you understand everything clearly, right, if anything comes straight away question, then easily you can answer it within less than 1 minute, right? Yes or no? So that becomes easy, ma. That is the reason why these all important observations I'm giving. Please note down everything clearly and do revise properly all the things, ma. I hope you're getting, ma. Thank you all.